Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Urban Dunya. I'm Tim Blight, this time coming to you from Florence in Italy. I'm at Florence's main railway station here today, and in this episode I thought that I'd take you on a short tour of Italy's train network, TrenItalia, and discuss how to get around Italy by train. Italy's rail network stretches for more than 24,000 kilometers and is an excellent way to get around the country. Trains by the state railway company TrenItalia come in different categories. In descending levels of speed and service, they include Frecciarossa, Frecciargento, Frecciabianca, and slower intercity or regional trains. Milan, Florence, Rome, Bologna, Venice, and Naples are all linked by the high-speed network. Tickets are cheap, but the price increases with the service level of the train. Another company, Italo, also operates similar services. Italian railway stations are often grand, cavernous places, especially in the big cities, but there are lots of signs to guide you. Tickets can be bought on the TrenItalia or Italo websites, or at the station at ticket counters or vending machines. They can also usually be bought at tobacconists across the country. Once you have your ticket, simply head to the platform, find the correct carriage, and away you go. Most trains offer different levels of service. On Frecciarossa, there's executive, business, premium, and economy, while on Frecciabianca, there is first class and second class. On Frecciarossa, there is a snack service included, while on both Frecciarossa and Frecciabianca, you have access to a snack bar. Screens and announcements on the train in both English and Italian let you know when you're approaching your stop. And that's all from Urban Dunya for this time. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and tune in again next time.